आता इकडे बघा काय दिलंय. ABCD, I think it's behaving like a parallelogram. Good. And F कोणाचा मिड पॉइंट आहे? DC. Good. E कोणाचा मिड पॉइंट आहे?
AB.
हां AB. गुड. ठीक आहे. प्रूफ काय करायचं आहे, जे डायगनल DB आहे ना, दॅट इज गेटिंग ट्रायसेक्टेड. नाउ व्हॉट इज ट्रायसेक्टेड मीन्स cutting into three equal halves, three equal parts I mean to say. So which parts you have to prove equal, bacha? DP should be equal to PQ should be equal to QB. Correct. That is the target. Sure hai? Ata ikkade boy. Tell me one thing. DC. F is the midpoint. Very good. So can I say one thing, that FC half of DC?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, so look how do I start this proof. So I'll write over here FC, which is equal to half of which side, bacha?
Half of DC.
DC. Reason over here, F is equal to what?
F is equal to midpoint here.
Midpoint. F is the midpoint. Very correct. Over there you tell me, is E midpoint of AB? Given in the question. So can I say that AE half of AB?
Yes.
Reason I want.
AB is equal to half of AC. AB.
So AE half of which one?
AB.
What is the reason behind it?
E is equal to midpoint.
Very good.
Midpoint.
E is equal to midpoint. This much okay? Now I'll write but tell me one thing. Let me see how much you recollect now. आता इकडे बघ, AB आणि DC, are they equal?
Yes.
Reason I want?
Opposite sides of a parallelogram.
Lovely. So I'll write but DC is equals to which one?
AB.
AB. Reason over here?
Opposite sides of a parallelogram.
Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Fine, beta. So now I'll mark this equation 1. I'll mark this equation 2. I will mark this equation 3. आता मला लॉजिक सांग. इकडे बघ. 1 मध्ये बघ, FC कोणाचा हाफ आहे? DC. AE कोणाचा हाफ आहे? AB. आणि बट DC आणि AB इक्वल पण आहे. So what can I prove now? Tell me.
You can see that FC is equal. FC
Equal to
AE.
FC is equal to AE. So from comparing which equations, beta?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2,
3.
and 3. Perfect. Now you tell me one thing. Is DC and AB parallel to each other?
Yes.
Obviously, opposite sides of a
Parallelogram.
So can I also say that FC and AE will be parallel to each other? होणारच, कारण ते त्याचाच पार्ट आहे ना. AE इसका पार्ट है और FC इसका पार्ट है. So can I say that AE and FC are also parallel?
Yes.
Very good. So I'll write over here also. You tell me FC is parallel to which one, beta?
AE.
AE. The reason over here? Opposite
sides of a parallelogram.
Sides of a
Parallelogram.
parallelogram. Now you have to be very smart enough. You tell me, look at this quadrilateral AECF. ये वाला. In which opposite pair of sides you check. You proved equal as well as parallel. So what figure is AECF?
Opposite sides of parallel.
Equal as well as parallel. So what is this figure AECF?
Rectangle.
नीट बघ ना, opposite sides equal आणि parallel है. So what figure is that? Parallelogram. So tell me quadrilateral. Now sang beta.
Quadrilateral.
AECF is a parallelogram by reason काय टाकणार बेटा?
Definition.
By definition. Beautiful. Okay, I'll put this in or I'll underline it best way. Which equation to put this? Fourth equation.
ABCD हा पहिल्यापासून पॅरलेलोग्राम होता ना.
ABCD is a parallelogram.
So like आपल्याला AECF ला का प्रूफ करायला लागेल?
हां, ॲज अ रिझन बिहाइंड इट. व्हेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. काय विचारलं मला की वाय डिड यू प्रूव्ह AECF ॲज अ
Parallelogram.
हाँ, the reason behind it I'll tell you. One thing you know very well ना, अभी मैंने इसको क्या प्रूव किया ये वाले को?
Parallelogram.
So can I say opposite sides are parallel? So can I say that AF and CE
Are parallel.
will be parallel to each other? Very good. इतना clear हो गया ना बेटा?
हाँ.
So I'll mark the arrowheads here also. Correct है? Okay. Now you should understand this mathematics. Okay. I'll highlight the triangles properly for you. इकडे बघ.
Four triangles.
Now which one to pick up? Look here. Come on. So look at this black color now. Okay. The triangle का location. Name the triangle for me. Hold on.
DQC.
हाँ. Name the black color triangle if you can see that very well.
DQC.
हाँ. So I'll write it here. ठीक है. Name the triangle. So in
Triangle DQC.
triangle DQC. Good. आता नीट बघ. हा ब्लॅक ट्रायंगल इकडे आहे. कुठला साइड वरती मिड पॉइंट आहे?
DQ. नाही, एक मिनिट. हाँ.
Which side has DC? Very good. Which is the midpoint?
F.
F is the midpoint. Correct है? So what can I write here now? Tell me. First point क्या लिखेगा?
F is the midpoint of DC.
हाँ, I'll write over here. 1 second. F.
Is the midpoint of DC.
1 second. F is the
Midpoint of DC.
midpoint of which side बच्चा?
DC.
DC. Reason? ये तो clearly given था ना question में.
हाँ.
आता मला सांग. Through that midpoint, is any line going parallel to the next side of the triangle?
Yes.
Which one is that parallel?
FP.
Very good. FP parallel to which side of the triangle?
QC.
Very good. Okay. So I'll write now FP parallel to which side?
QC.
हाँ, अभी तुमको पता चलेगा. कैसा पता चलेगा कि FP QC को पैरेलल है? क्योंकि ये जो क्वाड्रिलॅटरल था ना AECF हे काय प्रूफ केला होता आपण?
Parallelogram.
हाँ, म्हणून मी सांगू शकतो ना की FP पैरेलल टू विच साइड?
QC.
CQ. करेक्ट है. तो रीजन क्या लिखेगा? कहाँ प्रूफ किया था पैरेललोग्राम? यहाँ पे. सो फ्रॉम
Equation 4.
yes. So I'll write this from which equation number?
Equation 4.
Now come on. You tell me what is going to happen. Which is the third side of the triangle which is pending?
DQ.
So that gets
Bisected by
bisected. And that means what?
P is the midpoint of DQ.
Very good. So I can say therefore P is the
P is the midpoint of DQ.
P is the midpoint of which side बच्चा?
DQ.
DQ. The reason क्या लेणार?
Reason converse of midpoint theorem.
Very good. I'll be writing at
Converse of midpoint theorem.
converse of midpoint theorem. Now you tell me, you prove P is the midpoint of DQ. So which two parts are equal, bacha?
P is the midpoint of DQ.
हाँ, so which two parts are equal?
DP and QP.
Ah, very good. So you tell me DP कोणाला equal असणार बेटा?
QP.
हाँ, I'll write PQ. Whatever. I'll put this equation number.
5.
एवढं clear झालं? Simple math still now. आता next बघ. आता which triangle to take care?
A.
Very good.
P.
A, P, B. Very good. In triangle A, P, B. I'll start writing from here on the top. Okay. Triangle color करायची गरज आहे का?
नाही.
This is A, P and B. Okay. चल if you want I'll do it. तो इधर कौन सा साइड हाईलाइट करना है बेटा?
AP.
AP should be highlighted. So and that is AB over here. आणि इथे कुठला साइड आहे ना?
PB.
PB. Fine. Now tell me. So name the triangle, bacha.
in triangle APB.
Very good. In triangle
P.
APB. So first tell me, who is the midpoint of whom? If you remember. इकडे बघ. Very good. Who is the midpoint?
E is the midpoint.
E is the midpoint of
AB.
AB. How did you get to know that?
Just proved it.
No. It was given, na?
It was given session.
E is the midpoint of which one?
AB.
A, B. Reason over here?
Given.
Given. आता think and tell me, who is parallel? Come on.
EQ.
Very good. So I'll write EQ parallel to which one?
AP.
AP. ये कहाँ से पता चला था हमको? क्योंकि AECF क्या प्रूफ किया था?
Parallelogram.
Where is that?
4.
From 4. So I'll write from
4.
4. Now you tell me. Therefore, which is the third side pending?
PB.
PB. That gets bisected. So that means what?
Equaling to 2 halves.
That means what is what?
Q is the midpoint.
Very good.
PB.
Therefore, Q is the
Midpoint of PB.
Q is the midpoint of which side, bacha?
PB.
PB. What is the reason behind it?
Converse of midpoint theorem.
Converse of midpoint.
Theorem.
Just let me know one thing. If you are telling that Q is the midpoint of PB, so which two parts are equal?
PQ and QB.
So can I say that PQ is equal to QB? Let this be equation number 6. And I think now we are very smart enough to check this. Just compare 5 आणि 6. बघ DP कोणाला इक्वल आहे?
PQ.
बट PQ कोणाला इक्वल आहे?
QB.
इकडे बघ DP किसको इक्वल है?
DP
देखो ना DP किसको इक्वल है?
PQ.
सो आई विल पुट सिंगल डैश ऑन DP एंड PQ पे सिंगल डैश. ठीक है. अभी PQ कोणाला इक्वल है?
QB.
तो PQ पर कितना डैश है? सो आई विल पुट BQ also सिंगल डैश. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? this and this all three are equal to each other. So now tell me, what do I write over here, बच्चा? DP कोणाला इक्वल असणार?
PQ.
Which is equal to
QB.
and comparing किसको किया ये लाने के लिए? From 5 and 6. So reason over here from 5 and 6. This is what we wanted to prove. Done. ये प्रूफ करना था ना कि diagonal DB gets trisected. So we got 3 parts equal. Done. Any doubts in this? इझी आहे. फक्त एकच टार्गेट आहे की AECF शुड बी व्हॉट? हे प्रूफ करावं लागणार. आणि मग हा एक ट्रायंगल जॉब डन.
म्हणजे जर ट्रायसेप्ट विचारलं असेल तर त्याच्यातलं असंच एक पैरेललोग्राम काढून प्रूफ करायचं.
हाँ, पैरेललोग्राम क्यों लिया था पता है ना बेटा? क्योंकि क्या करना था हमको कैसे भी करके FA आणि CA
इक्वल लाइक पैरेलल
CE आई मीन टू से शुड बी सीन पैरेलल. हाँ, तो वो कब हो सकता है? ओनली इफ आई टेक AECF एज अ पैरेललोग्राम. थिंग्स क्लियर? प्रेटी क्लियर? डू दिस.